What's happening, guys? How the hell are you? Exciting times, huh? Glad you guys could make it. How's everybody doing tonight? Beautiful little run we're having. BTC's been on its own little bubble this whole time. Look at how big it is. Sooner or later it'll pop. Jordan Miller must be a COINBASE follower. Some people crack me up, man. Mitch Ray has been yelling 52-week high and BTC all afternoon. We're kicking ass, man. I want to show you guys something real quick. You guys know my Bitcoin versus gold chart. Should know that pretty well if you've been watching the channel. But I do want to point out, like I said, there's the arrow where I said I think we're here. I actually moved this line to meet up with these two resistance points, or support points, right here and right here. And I believe we're about right here in this run, guys. If I'm correct, and this is the pattern we're going on. Bam, I think it is. Thanks, Nathan. I don't know if many people are on uptrend, but I've been posting there anyways. I'm glad people are seeing it. Infamous puppy, he's a turd, Savvy. I should have set up wrenches before. I hope somebody in here has got a wrench. Anybody in here got a wrench? Anybody at all? Caribbean Crypto said Bitcoin is 17,000. It'll be 15,000 by this weekend. LTC 300 plus coming. I posted this in Discord earlier. I had this trend line in here, and as you can see, I may have had it off a little bit, but we are getting resistance on that. But if we can stay inside this triangle, I think we're all right. This is actually starting to look more like a, let me put some new lines on here. This is actually looking more like a channel here, guys. Actually, let me get rid of that. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to get a channel out here and see if that matches up. Definitely looks like Litecoin's making a channel here. Could be a channel, or we could still be in that triangle. I do believe it's looking like a channel, guys. What's up, Scotty? Thanks. If you see any crap in here, just get rid of them. Don't even give warnings. There's so many. Thanks, Jack. I appreciate it. You think LTC backed futures will come like Bitcoin? I do believe that's a definite possibility. I think that the backed futures today is a good sign. If you guys, anybody watched Bitcoin Ben today, he was talking about it, you know, and he made a lot of sense. He said they just opened the door for, you know, other ETFs to get approved. The institutional ETFs would be nice. Sorry, guys, my phone's going to probably be going nuts. I might have to turn it on mute. Let's see. All right. Anyways, yeah, I think it's looking good, guys. I know a lot of people are saying 11.7 was going to be the resistance, and it may be. We may come back down and test the top of this rising wedge or bull flag. I think that was a bull flag there. But anyway, yeah, my measured move out of the breakout, if just the measurement of the channel, it's gonna be around that 12,000 too. I thought I just shut this damn phone off. Over it. There we go. Don't have to listen to it no more. Big stuff. The video I put in on Discord. Join Discord for free. You guys notice the shirt? Free content only. My wife made it for me. I was pretty excited about it. She didn't tell me she was doing it. Yeah, Peter, it's almost 3.7. I think we're damn close to 3.7 right now. Broke 3,000 3K resistance. Yeah, Litecoin, I think we're still all right with Litecoin. I do still have this target down here as a possibility, the $23 range, but I think we're all right, guys. I think it's just slowly consolidating. I know everybody's been getting super bearish on Litecoin, and I think a lot of people are listening too much to Tone Vase and you know, the maximalists. I love Bitcoin too, but I do think there are going to be other coins that make it. Miss Archie, when Lamborghinis? December. No Lambos yet. Maybe the end of the year. Laugh out loud. Yeah, I think Litecoin's going to have a big breakout here soon, guys. You got to remember, Litecoin had a huge run. It started all this. Litecoin started first. Started this whole run before Bitcoin even decided to move. It's got to rest a little bit. Everything still looks good. I mean, it's still in a nice arc. It's still parabolic, guys. It could come all the way back down to 120 area and still be in the parabolic mode. If you look at the RSI, looks like we're definitely making a move up. Probably to come up, test the top of this. We might be all right in Litecoin, guys. Like I said, worst case scenario, I see us maybe dropping down to the 123 range, but it's not looking like it. Bitcoin, obviously everybody knows, is doing awesome. I do believe we hit at least the 12,000, a little above 12,000, maybe hit some resistance. That being the measured move. And actually, if we look at it, let me stretch this out so you guys can see it. I believe we're going to come up and touch the top of this blue line here. We're in this rising wedge. I do believe we're going to come up and touch the top of this. We may even come back down and get another touchdown here before continuing up and getting, you know, higher highs. That could, you know, this one here could get us all the way up to that 13,000. At least the 12,500. And if you guys watched my videos this morning, I had said that we were right about here, and I said it looks like this would probably form an inverse head and shoulders. And that's exactly what we done here, guys, and that's what we're breaking out of. So we definitely got more upward momentum. Like I said, at least 12,000. Depending on if it does it when I'm on this video, I may get out of my long there and look for another entry. We may get a retrace, come back down to the bottom of this channel, or the bottom of the top of this breakout here. But I'll let you guys know in Discord if I do that. I'm not even sure. I think I might wait till 12.5 or so. But we'll definitely get some kind of small pullback. I don't think there's going to be anything huge. Litecoin, Bitcoin monthly is going to break a huge. Yeah, there's people in the Discord that trade Litecoin, Bitcoin pair. I do not do that, so I don't really watch that chart a lot. If you guys don't know, those of you that are in the Discord know how I trade. I hold all my Bitcoin. I hold all of my Litecoin. I trade Bitcoin and leverage, and I use my profits to buy more. I don't risk losing any coins. I'm not going to risk losing any coins. I'd rather lose fiat, even though I've been doing quite well trading. I posted to Steve Hubbs. I posted today in the club that your 41K end of year BTC prediction might be a little conservative. I believe it is being conservative. Yeah, guys, smash the likes, please. Helps the channel out big time. You guys been doing an awesome job of that. I really appreciate all you guys. I could not do this without you, and you know, all the good comments and hearing about the people I have helped is what makes me continue doing this. I want to help people, and I want to get it out there and try to help as many people as I can and save as many people as I can from getting ripped off and buying stupid courses and crap, man. You guys know how I feel about that. I can't stand it. They're totally ripping people off. And like I've said before, you're paying for their drug habits, gambling habits, and lavish lifestyles, while 90% of them probably aren't really even trading. I'd like to see their, see that they're really trading. I highly doubt it. Why would they trade if they're just taking in everybody's money? And they're probably doing that because they suck at trading. I've got it at 53K if the current 80.884 compound rate continues since February 7th. Definite possibility, man. I'm up for 100 grand. I'm just saying 46 grand by the end of the year, being conservative. And you guys know how I got that. That's just going off of this. That's all I did. If you look at it, man, we started watching this in January on this channel. And look, so we started watching that right around here is where I started watching this whole thing unfold. And those of you that have been here since then, you know, best advice I ever got from Savy is buy the fear. Hell yes, man. Buy the fear, sell the greed. Wait till it's gonna get really greedy. Let it run, man. Let it run. That's why I don't trade my coins. I'm not risking losing them. Can you save me from my Miller Lite addiction? We should have 130 likes. Hell yeah, we should, man. We got 135 people. Why not 135 likes? I think there's a lot of people that don't know how to hit the likes. I don't think there's a lot of people that don't know how to find the description box either. There is. Guys, I keep this all free, but I do have affiliate links down below in the description box. By using that stuff, like if you need a ledger or you want to sign up for the Brave browser, if you use those links, I get a tiny bit of kickback. Helps channel out. Does help to, make up for a little bit of time. This does take a lot of time to do for you guys. Not complaining. I love doing it. If I didn't, I wouldn't do it. Pay them for their hookers. That's right, man. You've been on it, man. Thanks, buddy. Thank you, GRB. Yeah, I just, it sucks sometimes when, I go in the group and people are getting pissy at each other. But for the most part, I mean, nobody gets really rude in the group. If they do, we'll boot them in the Discord. By the way, if you're not in the Discord, definitely consider checking it out. It's free. It's awesome. Great community. But, you can tell when you're at heated times in the market and the bulls and the bears are fighting. And, there's always going to be bulls and bears, guys. If everybody thought the same, there wouldn't be a market. So it's, that's what makes the market. And emotions can run super high sometimes. Exit out of chat. The like button's on the left on the mobile. Yeah, if you're on mobile, exit the chat for a second, click the thumbs up, and click the live chat again, and you'll be right back in. Signed up for Prime Ledger soon. There's someone out there saying, they're waiting for this big pullback before they buy in, and they've been saying that since 7,000. They could have already been in. I don't understand that strategy. It makes absolutely no sense to me. It's pretty damn funny. And people are following them. They were waiting for 1,500 with them too. See how that worked out. And I look at the Ethereum USD chart. I will take a look at that real quick. Let's see. I think I have it up in here under my blank chart. Well, yep. I had that target over here forever. I still believe Ethereum really looks ready to pop. Definitely ready to pop. And that target remains the same because it would still be the same breakout point. So I still have the same target, 363. That's another thing, guys. When I'm trading, I stay in a trade for a long ass time. I don't stress out. I don't try to catch every little move. I watch people doing that, and especially trading actual coins, and they're trying to catch every move. They lose so many of their coins doing that. That's not for me. I do not day trade. I do not want to day trade. The market knows everyone's looking for a pullback. Yeah, definitely. Just like the market knew everybody was looking at 6K to be this huge resistance. And, you know, I'd let everybody know I think we're going to blow right through it. And everybody that was shorting it, I said I would see you at 7,000 when you're FOMOing in. And that's exactly what happened. Edward Parks in here. What's up, man? Sorry if I don't read all your guys' comments. If you have to repeat yourself, because I can't keep up with all the comments. But anyway, that's the Ethereum, and that's still my target. Nothing's changed there at all. Nothing. You know, and time is the hardest thing to judge in the market, guys. So I don't like to put time frames on stuff. We had a guy in the Discord bitching about time. I'm not gonna, because they want Lambos in a month. Yeah, that's about it. Sold it that 4K, bought back at 10.7. Glad I found your channel. Boycott the other ones. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't like to watch other analysts, but every once in a while I'll click on them just to see what they're saying. And like I've been talking about, they just repeat each other, man. They just one guy says one thing and then the other guy jumps on it, and it's like you watch one, you watch them all. They're all fudsters, man. Would it be smart to buy into BTC still? It'd be smart to join the Discord and start charting and learn the charts, and then you can make a educated decision. I'm glad you found me too, Smurf Herder. Save my brother. The Discord rocks. Hell yes it does. So anyways, back to Litecoin. I think we're pretty good in Litecoin here. Yeah, like I said, worst case, I see us maybe coming down to this 123. But that's about it. I don't even think it's going to do that, guys. I think we're going to bounce back up to this channel. And the same thing if you look at this. Look at my RSI here on the 4 hour. We're definitely coming up here, guys. We could even do a measured move in the RSI, believe it or not. That works too. Just like the regular chart. If we took and drew a trend line, I'll just use this one here, and drew it right across the shoulders, and then did a measured move. Remember this, guys. This stuff helps big time. Do a measured move off of it, and then take the measured move, put it to where it broke out, and look at that. It gets us right to the top of that blue line that I've been talking about. I do see us going up and touching that. We're probably going to get resistance then. It doesn't mean we're going to dump, guys. We could just do this. We can consolidate and continue higher. And I think this is probably most likely going to get us up to this 12.5, 12.6 area to get up here. Maybe even higher. We'll have to keep an eye on that. I will try to keep an eye on it. Did anybody get that? Are you watching? Did you pay attention? This little stuff helps a lot. Just stupid little measured moves. I noticed another guy that never did measured moves is doing an awful lot of measured moves lately. And he bitches about other people copying him. I deleted 5 Bitcoin YouTubers a month ago. They all sound like parakeets. Once one guy says it, they all say it. That's it, man. You got to do your own, man. Learn your own charting and stay away from all the other crap. Mac Alessio is an idiot. I do not know him, so I can't say. We'll never see 3K Bitcoin again. Guys, I wanted to show you this. I forgot. I got sidetracked. I honestly think this was my worst case scenario down here for a long time. We talked about it, the 66, 6,700 range. I'm highly doubting that, guys. I think this is our new support. If you guys have been watching, you know the other day I said if we could close above that, open a candle and close above that, this is going to be our new support. I'm going to stick by that. I think that's a damn good possibility. We could be going up to 15, 16, 17,000 before a correction. And if it's going to be a big correction, we might pull back to 11 something, 11.5 maybe. How do you use the measured moves? We'll do a quick measured move real quick. You find the pattern, just like this pattern here, right? We've been watching this forever and a day. And we were in this channel. We had 3 touches. That confirms this trend line. We had 3 touches here, more than 3. That confirms this trend line. The breakout. Whoops, that's not the breakout of that. The breakout is the width of this channel and put it right to where you broke out. And that gets you to the 12,000. You got it right about 12,070. But there's also other patterns in here, guys. This here could be measured as, you would measure it from the bottom here up as a flagpole and take that to the top of the wedge or the triangle we have drawn there to right where it broke out. That gets us up to the 13.6 area. And I have another one also, a shorter one. That would get us right around the 12.3, 12.4. But guys, I am, by looking at the RSI, and I'm going to pull the RSI back up. By looking at the RSI, I see us, like I said, this is a inverse head and shoulders here. I know a lot of people don't believe in them. I don't know why. They play out all the time. We find them all the time in the charts. They play out beautifully as long as they confirm. This one has confirmed. But yeah, anyways, if we look at where it's going, just kind of look at this move here, how long that was in the RSI and how long it was here. We're coming up to here, in my opinion. It's going to get us around the 12.5. Yeah, 12.5, 12.6 area. And then after that, I believe, you know, thanks, Smurf. I appreciate it, man. The party has started. So yeah, after we get up here, like I said, it'll be around the I really appreciate that, guys. No, that's not necessary. I want you to know that, but I do appreciate it. That's awesome, man. But anyways, yeah, the 12.5, 12.6, I believe will be the top of this. But definitely keep an eye on it. Get your charts out, draw this in there. Keep an eye on it, because when we do, I'm going to move this one down a little bit. I do believe we're going to top out on that right up here and come back down. But guys, if you look at these corrections, like take this one for example, look at this correction. It was let's see, from, well, let me get my tool out here. Look at this correction here. It was a whopping 11%, and look how big of a dive was in the RSI. We got another one over here. So yeah, if you learn to read the RSI, it'll help you from panicking and foaming. Look at this one here. That was a whopping 7%, and look at it on the RSI. That created some big time hidden bearish hidden bullish divergence, which is lower lows in the RSI, higher lows in the price, guys. Remember this stuff, and you're not going to get it all at once, but just start practicing it and start going through the charts and looking for it. You know, we're creating bearish divergence now because this is a higher high and this is a lower high, but it doesn't matter. We found a pattern here and we're following that pattern beautifully. Corrections are only a trend validation, nothing to freak out over. Yeah, you can't keep going straight up. Traders are going to collect profit, man. That's what makes it correct, and then, you know, continues on up. 11,800 incoming. Oh yeah, for sure. We're, like I said, guys, we might see a little bit of sideways action on it up, but I'm pretty damn positive we're heading up to this 12.6 area at least. Keep an eye on the RSI, guys. What time is it? Oh, yeah, we get the daily close in 5 minutes. Let me look at the daily. That's probably pretty damn beautiful. Yes, it is. If you look at the daily, guys, check it out. I have the same thing in here. See that trend line up here? I also have a higher one here, which is possible. That's one of our old peaks back here. But keep an eye on these lines too. Pull your charts out, put it on your daily, and check it out. Guys, this is a parabolic market, man. This is beautiful. It's exciting. I'm excited. Bought back in at 10.55. Yeah, my last long I got in at 10.4. I closed out at 10.5. My long from, I don't even remember right now, but closed out a long, got right back in at 10.4, and I'm still riding it. And I'm going to continue riding it. I think I'm up to like 30% or something right now. You want to see the close live? We will watch it. What do you want to watch it on? The daily? The RSI looks like it'll break in a few days. What do you mean? It'll correct, but like I pointed out, look at this RSI correction right here. It wasn't shit. Nothing. Got to learn how to read the RSI, and you know, I am definitely going to be making some videos for you guys. Fun making multiples of what I make at work in a day. You know, it's amazing. I was sitting on the porch with my wife and showing her my trade and where it's at, and like, that don't even seem real. Thanks, Krupp Cottonmouth, or Cottonwealth. I say Cottonmouth. Free content only, man. That is what this channel stands for. That's why I started this channel. I was sick of seeing people get ripped off when I was watching these guys, and you can kind of tell where they're not that good. Especially when they pull up 50 million indicators. We've had 20% correction since December. Very bullish. Yeah. Very freaking bullish. Obviously. How long we got before the close? Let's look at the weekly. I mean, it's right there. Like, look at that. Jesus. It's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. We got it. We're watching the daily close here. And it is not giving in. I wouldn't be surprised though if the next daily candle opened and went down a couple $100 before continuing up. So don't be surprised. As you can see, every time we do open a daily, it goes down a little bit. I'd rather see a wick on the bottom. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate it, man. Good to have you. Take it easy, Steve. Selling those shirts. Yes, we're getting a web page up soon. If you want one before you can get any shirt you want, just email me. My email's in the description below the video, along with all my affiliate links. You're more than welcome to email me. Let me know what shirt you want, and I will get it to the wife, and she will get back with you. When we hit the max of y equals x squared and move down the other side of the parabola, watch out, bloody knife buying time then. Yeah, anytime I see a big correction or a big red candle, I love jumping in and getting in along. Keep talking dirty to me. I love money. I'm in profit first time since December 2017. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, man. Glad to hear that. Yeah, you're gonna need a shirt. Yeah, like I said, my email's in the description, man. Let me know. We can put anything you want. She can do anything you want on the shirts. So it can have my logo. Just say you want it on there, and we'll put the logo on there. Nuke the like buttons, please. Smash them up, guys. So anyways, another thing I wanted to say, if you guys are watching the way I chart and And hopefully you're catching on a little bit. I haven't, obviously. There we go. It closed. Beautiful. This is awesome. Extremely exciting times, guys. You can get anything you want for a shirt. I got the whole BTC chart. Put on a shirt from Crypto Savvy. That was you, huh? Yeah, she was asking about it today. She's got it done for you. We'll ship the shirts to Africa. If you pay the shipping, we'll ship it anywhere you want. Sipping on Jack and Coke and doing my crypto. There's really only 14 likes? What the hell? Damn, people. Get out of the chat for a minute. Click the frickin' like button. What the hell? How many likes is there? Seriously, tell me how many there are. I can't see them. It's not junk. They're quality shirts with, you know, this is just like, it's not a vinyl crap or nothing like that. It's actually in the shirt. You can't get it off. Could I explain when it's a good time to buy in? Join the Discord. That's all you got to do, man. A lot of people help each other out. We won't tell you when to buy in. We'll tell you how to figure out when to buy in. What's up, HM? $123 likes. That ain't bad. I ain't bitching. Be nice to see more. Damn, how you getting all the different numbers? Nice. Hell yeah, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, well, that's cool, man. Hell yeah. I appreciate it, guys. You guys don't understand that actually helps the channel out. It helps YouTube get the video out to people, because it's hard to find videos, and it's hard to get your videos out there if people aren't liking and commenting and stuff. YouTube has an algorithm that actually helps get it out there. So besides you guys sharing and stuff, the only way to do that is get a lot of likes and comments in your videos and stuff. Thanks, Katina, or Katana. Says 147 watching. I can't see how many was watching. It's saying 180 on here. Yeah, see, I said that we'd have a little pullback. So I think we're going to have a pullback before a continued move up. If not, we may get a little sideways action here for a minute, but no big deal. Let's look at it in a 1 hour and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's still good, guys. Still looks damn good. Let's look at it in a 4 hour. See the little pullback before a push up. I don't know if anybody's ever noticed, but a lot of times, and not all the time, talk about backed. The ETF, backed obviously is going to be coming out soon. Backed isn't. The one that came out today was Ledger X, the physically backed Bitcoin ETFs for retail, it's not for institutional money yet, but they did get an ETF approved for retail, so that's the beginning of a lot. I believe we're gonna see more ETFs. That's gonna help this parabolic move, and I'm pretty sure they already know about it, and that's why this is happening. So yeah, we'll be the last to find out after they've gotten and accumulated all the coins they want. Jesse Kondo, I found this channel 7 months ago. I hear that a lot. I'm your new guru. Thanks, Jimmy. Have you thought about moving over to D Live? Never heard of D Live, man. Your wife will come back now. My wife don't. I mean, she doesn't. I don't know that she hates it anymore, but she literally hated me staring at the computer all day, every day. I still look at my phone a lot because I try to help people out in Discord and stuff. as much as I can. When ETF opened, will they short, do you think? 100K? 200K? A million? Shit, I don't know, man. We have to see what happens. Jordan Miller, quit shilling. Crap, man. Eth had a couple good hours before close. Yeah, it was looking good. Did I close it? No, it's right here. Let me get it over here. It's doing the same thing. A little pullback. I don't think it's nothing to be concerned about. Litecoin. Let's see what Litecoin's looking like. Litecoin's looking all right. I'd like to see it get back over these RSIs though. I'd like to see these RSIs climb back up over the 55. And it looks like they're trying to. Just have to wait and see. Still early. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, that's kind of bearish right here, but this is only the 1 hour, guys, so we may come back down. Could possibly test the bottom of this 128. Worst case 123. I don't think that's gonna happen though, honestly. But yeah, we're still pretty bullish in Bitcoin. Said little pullback and continue on up. I definitely believe we're gonna come up and touch the top of this before we have any real sideways movement or whatever. I know how you feel, Jim. It's tough, man. But when you can see what it is and what it's gonna be, it's call Crypto Savvy the magic man because he predicts things. Can't stop watching the charts every day. It can be addicting. That's why they call it cyber heroin, man. Tell Mrs. Savvy to come on over here. We have good fun. She might be watching this. If she is, say hi, babe. She's been secretly watching. I use TradingView to draw my charts in, Martin. Your wife hates crypto too, but she still gives you 30% of her check to invest for her. Nice, Jeff. Why don't you chart Litecoin BTC? Because I don't trade it, so I don't chart it. I don't trade the LTC BTC pair. Like I said, I've explained it 1,000 times. I hold my Litecoin and Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin on leverage to make profit to buy more. That's it. Savvy, you're a great guy. Thanks for spending the time doing these videos. Everyone come to the Discord. Yeah, guys, check out our Discord, man. It's pretty sweet. It's a lot of people in there. It's really, really active. It's grown tremendously. I don't even know what we have in there. 700, 800, 900 people or something right now, but it's just growing fast. Parabolic. Oh, she said hi. Yep, that's my wife, Laura Hudson, right there. Say hi to my wife, guys. Well, it was a nice close, and it looks like we're going to continue up, guys. I don't want to stay on here too much longer. I am pretty much about done, but I think we're all right. Looks like Litecoin might come back down a little bit, not too much. Like I said, I would look at worst case scenario that 123, but if we do get to 123, we're going to get a hell of a bounce, guys. No doubt in my mind. Thanks for stopping in, everybody. I wanted to do a quick video, but I'm going to get off here now, and I may be in the Discord later if I don't fall asleep, But other than that, I'm out of here. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I do videos every morning. Also, hit the thumbs up. Help the channel out, guys. I appreciate it. Check out the affiliate links below the video in the description box also. And I'm out of here. I will see you guys in the morning. Have a great night. Take it easy.